आपने मुझे जगा क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? किस्मत आपका साथ दे। Wish you good luck. Wish you good luck. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ? May I know your name? May I know your name? मेरा मैदा ख़राब है। My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. क्या आपके होश ठिकाने हैं? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? आप कितने बजे उठते हैं? What time do you awake? What time do you awake? इस घड़ी में एक सेकंड का भी फ़र्क नहीं है। This watch is correct to seconds. This watch is correct to seconds. आओ बस से चलें। Let's go by bus. Let's go by bus. मुझे ऐसा करने में खुशी होगी। I will be glad to do so. I will be glad to do so. हम वक्त पर आने की कोशिश करेंगे। We'll try to be punctual. We'll try to be punctual. मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है। I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. क्या हम शुरू करें? Should we begin? Should we begin? मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है। It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. उसे गाड़ी मिल गई है। He caught the train. He caught the train. उसे सर दर्द है। He has headache. He has headache. बात को ज़्यादा मत बढ़ाओ। Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. डॉक्टर जवाब दे गए हैं। The doctors have given up all hopes. The doctors have given up all hopes. उसे ज़ुकाम हो गया है। He has got cold. He has got cold. उसने नुस्खा लिख दिया है। He has written the prescription. He has written the prescription. ये आम बीमारी है। It's a common disease. It's a common disease. किस्मत हमेशा आप पर मेहरबान रहे। May you always be lucky. May you always be lucky. तुमने ये मोबाइल कितने में ख़रीदा? What did this phone cost you? What did this phone cost you? वो उधार नहीं बेचता। He does not sell on credits. He does not sell on credits. मैं आपकी हुक्मत-उली कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I disobey you? How can I disobey you? ये लो तुम्हारा खत है। Here is a letter for you. Here is a letter for you. मैंने उसे फ़ोन किया। I rang him up. I rang him up. क्या आप यकीन नहीं करते? Don't you believe it? Don't you believe it? आप उन पर मुकम्मल एतमाद कर सकते हैं। You can fully rely on them. You can fully rely on them. ज़रा यहाँ आना। Please come here. Please come here. सबसे दरख्वास्त है कि वो वक्त पर पहुँचें। All are requested to reach on time. All are requested to reach on time. क्या आप मुझे परसों मिल सकते हैं? Can you see me day after tomorrow? Can you see me day after tomorrow? उन्हें आराम करने दें। Let them relax. Let them relax. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप खैरियत से होंगे। I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. आप क्या खाएंगे? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? क्या तुम सिगरेट पीते हो? Do you smoke? Do you smoke? रात के खाने का वक्त हो गया है। It's dinner time. It's dinner time. हमने ये मकान खाली कर दिया है। We have vacated this house. We have vacated this house. कमरा साफ होना चाहिए। The room should be clean. The room should be clean. अब मैं मज़ीद इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मैं अभी तैयार होता हूँ। I'll be ready in a moment. I'll be ready in a moment.